Hello guys, welcome to techmaddies.com. This is the unboxing of Motorola Moto E5. On the front side, we got the Motorola branding and the model branding. On the back side, there is a small specification overview. It says that it has a 4000 mAh battery, a 14.5 cm max vision display, a fingerprint reader and an expandable storage. These are the unique selling point of the Motorola Moto E5. They haven't provided the processor on the box. The variant which I got is a 2GB 16GB variant. The price noted on the box is 10,999 rupees. I bought it for 10,300 rupees. My sincere thanks to Mobile Planet for providing me this unit at that price range. So we will just unbox the phone for more details. By removing the top shield cover, we will get the phone itself. Here is the 5.7-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with a Motorola branding on the bottom. The display is manufactured with 18:9 aspect ratio with a Corning Gorilla Glass protection on top. Here is the front-facing 5MP camera with a 2.2 aperture with an LED flash. It also has a front-firing speakers. From the front side, the phone looks so premium. I will take the phone outside so that you can check how it looks from the back side. This is how it looks from the back side. It has a 4000 mAh battery, but it is easy to hold, it is comfortable. The weight distribution on the Moto E5 is too good. This is the fingerprint scanner, which is an active fingerprint scanner. The camera is slightly protruded. It is a 13MP shooter with 2.0 aperture and with a single tone LED flash. On the top, we get a 3.5mm headphone jack and an active noise cancellation microphone. Here on the other side, we get the volume rockers and the power button. On the bottom, we get a USB type port and the main microphone. On the other side, we get a SIM tray that can accept dual SIM and an SD card at the same time. This is the phone itself. I will put the phone aside so that we can check what all thing do we get inside the box. Inside the box, we get a SIM ejector tool, a user guide and some warranty papers, a wall adapter which has an output of 5.2 volt to 2 ampere, which is a fast charger but not a turbo charger. We get a USB type normal cable which is of good quality, and also we get a headphone. This is a normal headphone which Moto will provide to their budget phones. These all are the accessories which Moto has been provided with their phones. I will put these things aside and check the phone itself. Now I will just try to boot up the phone. It's showing powered by Android and the Moto symbol. The screen quality is pretty good. The viewing angles are also good. I have done all the settings and registered my fingerprint on its first boot itself. So now I will try to unlock the phone with my fingerprint. Just tap in. It's unlocking. It is taking a 2 to 3 second time to waking up the screen, but it is giving me a haptic feedback, so the slowness is not a problem for me. It's all about the personal preferences. I'm satisfied with the fingerprint scanner. Now I will try to check up the Android version. Inside the settings, system, about phone, it's showing that it has Android 8.0.0. I expected 8.1.1 for this device, but it's still 8.0.0. It's okay, but I think that they will provide an update for this phone. Also, I want to check the storage. Inside the storage, about 32% of the storage has been used for the system applications. About 10 GB, 10.5 GB of storage is available for usage. It's not a problem because you can expand it with an SD card up to 256 GB. That's not a problem. The Motorola Moto E5 is powered by a Snapdragon 425 processor, which is clocked at 1.4 GHz. It is a quad-core processor which is manufactured under 28nm FinFET process. It uses ARM Cortex-A53 for its 4 cores. So on the performance side, the Motorola Moto E5 is a big disappointment. But on the power consumption, the 28nm FinFET processed chip was not that great, but the Moto E5 will cover it up with a 4000 mAh battery. But on the performance side, Motorola Moto E5 is a big disappointment. They should have gone with the Snapdragon 450. I will try to fire up the camera. I will just try to focus on the object. The focusing is so slow, but I think that the shutter speed is good. This is the photo which I taken. First impression is good. Lighting condition of this room is not that great, so I think that is one of the reason which I get a noisy images. Actually, the shutter speed is so good. I think the shutter speed is better than that of the Motorola Moto G6. All the pictures are coming out good. There's a 13 MP back facing camera with 2.0 aperture and a single LED flash. So guys, this is the quick unboxing of Motorola Moto E5. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get the next video without any delay. Thank you.